Yo, 4 o'clock in the morning. Maybe no sleep, a little bit of sleep, like Tobo. Damn, you ready?
Oh yeah, let's go, homie. Let's get it. Trying to do a little something. At least we hope we get a lip on camera.
We got postponed though, because there was a boat accident, I guess. So.
And there is a tournament going on about 6 o'clock, so hopefully we'll get out there before the tournament starts. Yeah. We are not in the tournament, but wouldn't mind us catching a
it depends.
Personal big bass. I mean 5 bass limit.
Yeah. We'll do a 5 limit. Down focus. What you going with? Are you doing what?
I'm finna run this.
Oh shit.
Not my main rod, but
I've never even seen that. Is that black and
it's a shad color.
Yeah, like a shad.
Black.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that one. That's the one I use.
Yeah, shit.
It's yours.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh.
Yeah. That's strictly for Tobo too.
Oh. Well,
that's why I got it.
Tobo.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going with the all white everything, man. I'm going with these guys right here. Contact. Paddle tails on experience, but then of course I'm going with my little flicker, even though it's beat up, dude.
Fucking flicker.
A flicker. I'm gonna just see if I can catch one in every fucking lake with this little guy with Big Ed's recommendation. But yeah, hopefully we can get out there, man. Soon. But let's get it, y'all. Alright, y'all, my bad I'm not recording, but got my little dank. Start out the morning.
Dank.
I thought it was grass actually.
GoPro start recording.
Damn. Made it down class. I ripped that lip. Here you go.
Get me wrong.
What? Oh. Appreciate it. What's that little guy?
That's a dank for real.
So
we got the Johnnies coming out.
We'll start with the dankster in the cove. Where's your mama?
Look for off the motherfucking what?
Where's your grandma?
Flicker, yeah. Where's your
great grandma?
Where's your great grandma?
Your great grandma.
On the flicker.
There's the flicker, you guys. Again, I'm trying to get a camera. Yeah, there it is.
Oh yeah, every lake we go to.
Flicker.
It's
coming like a red crawl. You just catch some decent size, huh?
I was going through grass with it too.
There's grass.
Alright, y'all, let's get some more. We are. Sun is coming out. Oh, they're still over there. Police still over there. So there's a boat. I guess it's wrecked in the water. The police are fucking telling us not to go where we want to go. We're trying to hate. I mean, we probably can go take a wide gap around. Oh, fuck. Oh, what's that flicker catch anything? But yeah, we are definitely going for the top water bite now. Oh, but yeah, they Tobo. Look, the police over there. I don't know if y'all can see the blue lights. Can't really zoom in. But they're over there, I guess, looking for a boat. Well, there's the marina. There's the police. Let's get out of here. Let's get to it. Well, y'all, dude, it's still out here. So far, we only got 1 bass. A banker. That's good, bro. Damn, dude. In the same spot, I've lost shit like that multiple times. There's my 10-pounder. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Well, let me try on my other guy. Damn. Oh, I got one. Oh, give me the black one. Hell, let's tie it on. You want to tie it? You want to tie it? Oh. Yeah, I was all fucked up tying this. I can't believe I lost it.
What a striper.
Striper. Oh,
That's what I want to see. Turn me up, goddamn.
oh, damn. All right. Oh, damn. God damn, dog. That bitch broke the Power Pro.
That's some good eat.
Whew. Oh, Joe. Oh, my bad. Damn. So, yeah, striper. Ouch. Huh? I was gonna pick it up by his mouth. Yeah. 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 Number two. I knew I felt something hitting. There you go. Oh yeah, let me take a picture. Oh, alright. I need to get another fucking underspin on it. I told you down. Those damn Kitex. Got the.
You got me turned up now.
Got the damn striper. Got the striper out of the toe, bro. Oh yeah.
Oh, wiper.
Beautiful.
What were you? Was I scanning?
Yeah, you scanned good.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Hell yeah.
Blaze got one. That's the second one for the day, so we're not stumped.
Alright, let's get it, yo. Alright, damn. I missed that one too. I'm a little tired, but yeah. Second bass of the day. It's a little bit bigger. Not a little bit bigger. Not no down. We ain't hit the down. I think Damon's sitting there not fishing, waiting to damn catch the 4-pounder.
This ain't working?
It's not turning on? Oh, it wasn't pumping last time. I forgot to look at it. Might just have to put some water in there. It should come. It didn't fill up any other way. Put the aerator. You turn that shit on. Don't worry about it. Done with the sun's getting to us. I'm tired, no sleep.